So I want to expand and simplify this expression we have here. And I start off by multiplying the coefficient in front of the set of brackets to all of the terms inside the brackets, like so. So I first have 4 times 2x, which is 8x, and 4 times negative 7, so minus 28, and then negative 5 times 4x, so minus 20x, and negative 5 times positive 9, so minus 45. And then I find all the like terms, 8x and negative 20x, and negative 28 and negative 45, and group them together. So 8x minus 20x would be negative 12x. And then negative 28 minus 45. Negative 28, 45. So with a negative sign, you add them together. So 73 minus 73. And that's it.